Pia, can you tell us what your motivation is behind developing your own method?
You know, I was a high school music teacher for a long time, but also a mentor. So my students told me about their problems and their stress, and some of them had mental blocks during the test. And that affected me because of its unfairness or even injustice. And I really have a problem with injustice.
Tell me more about unfairness or injustice.
Well, let's say you studied really hard and you understood all or most of the subject matter. Maybe you even explained it to others in class. But then you take the test. You doubt a certain question, you immediately think the worst, and at that moment your mind goes blank and you have a blackout. So the result of the test doesn't match at all with your real capacity, and that feels very unfair and unjust. And I wanted a method to give them tools to avoid this.
Does this mental block mean you have a problem and need guidance or training?
No, not necessarily. It can happen to anyone once, unless the fear that the same thing will happen again, and at the same time you being vulnerable, drives you to another blackout and maybe another one. So now you step into a pattern of increasing fear and lower results, and this feels like being trapped in a vicious circle. You need help to get out.